The Sony XBR X930D is one of the more expensive 2016 TVs available today, but it sure is nice. Available in both the 55-inch size and the 65-incher I reviewed here, it's a sleek, high-tech design that's so thin it almost disappears when seen from the side. The top half of this TV measures just half an inch deep, which allows it to look great on a stand and mount extra flush against the wall. The bottom is a bit thicker to accommodate stuff like inputs and processors, but not the power supply. That's a big external brick. I also like the design of the remote with its rubberized buttons, and since the set runs the latest version of Android TV by Google, it also allows voice search. Although you don't get access to the same app store available to Android phones, Android TV's selection of big screen apps is great. In addition to Netflix, Amazon, and Sony's exclusive Ultra service, all with access to the latest 4K HDR content, you get apps like Spotify, Watch ESPN, HBO, and PBS Kids built in. The best thing about this Sony, however, is its picture quality. Thin LCD TVs often sacrifice picture for style, but this set's color accuracy, contrast, and HDR performance are top-notch. It's not quite as good as an OLED, of course, but it costs a lot less. On the other hand, the X930D is a worse value than the Vizio P series, which offers similar picture quality for much less money. But if you want this TV's style, features, and picture, and are looking for a brand with more cachet, the Sony X930D deserves a serious look. I'm David Katzmeyer for CNET.